If I would be honest, I can imagine you gone, engraved in my thoughts. Scared of how I fell in love, love, love. If I could say it out loud, you drown out all the noise, trace your fingers to your hand. We shackles of the time. But let myself I want to